Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Colorado LTZ cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5281. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 7th month 2016. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left centre cap, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has two small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, small little rip on the outside edge of the base of the right hand seat, automatic type console, four-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory MyLink media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, top glove box, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.